Good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now I would like to give the assignment solutions for the course called Cloud Computing. So here the first question is given as examples of public cloud are Eucalyptus, Ubuntu, Microsoft EC Data Center and Amazon EC2. Amazon EC2 is the best example for public cloud. Now coming to the question number 2, which of the following are XML APIs? So BSAX is API to XML and DOM stands for Document Object Model. So these two are the answers for the question number 2. Question number 3. The public cloud provides total visibility and control over data regarding security. So this statement is false. So B has selected. Now coming to the question number 4. In the case of an on-site private cloud organizations, consider number 1 network dependency, number 2 no risk from the multi-tenancy. So which one you opt normally? Only one, that is network dependency. Coming to the question number 5. DAS is the XML language for processing XML. So XSLT is the cascading some XSLT is the answer for this. Sixth one. Cloud Manager is the public access point to the cloud where subscribers sign up for accounts. The answer is true. Question number 7. Dash generally stores the cloud subscribers metadata like user credentials and OS images. So the answer is data object storage. Option is C is the correct answer for this. Coming to the question number 8. Which of these are responsible for the operation of a collection of computers that are connected via high-speed local area networks in the cloud computing paradigm? That is the cluster manager. It is responsible for all these things. So option C is the correct answer in this case. Question number 8. Now question number 9. Hypervisor is also known as the virtual machine monitor. The option C is the correct answer. And now 10. The following problems are addressed to web services, firewall, and as well as interoperability. So these are the answers for week 2 for Cloud Computing 2023 course. The exam is going to be conducted on April 2023. Okay, so once again we see the answers from the starting onwards. So question number 1, the answer is D. Question number 2, the options are B and D. Question number 3, the option is B. And question number 4, the option is A. Question number 5, the option is D. Question number 6, the option is A. Question number 7, the option is C. Question number 8, the option is C. Question number 9, the option is D. Question number 10, it is A, B. So these are the answers for week 2 assignment solutions. Thank you.